Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bitget, and on today's update video I want to show you guys how to claim the mango tokens. But before I get into today's content, I'd like you guys to please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. So guys, the mango token has launched, and right now I want to show you guys how to claim it. For me personally, I'm making use of the BEINGDEX app. Now this application was also what we used to farm the mango testnet. So right now I've inputted my mango wallet address, the seed phrase of the wallet. I've inputted it into my BEINGDEX app, and right now I want to claim my mango tokens. So right here guys, as you guys can see, I have my quota, which are my tokens allocation, and right here the claim option has opened. So right now I'm going to click on claim, and I'm going to click on confirm. And as you guys can see right here, my tokens has been claimed. So this is it right here. The tokens has been transferred to my Mango Mainnet wallet. I have about 176.40 tokens. So right here, the next thing I'm going to do is to send this to an exchange for me to sell. So this is it guys, this is my Bitget app. However, you can make use of other exchanges like gate.io as well, but for the sake of this video I'll be making use of Bitget. Then you are going to open your app, head over to the assets, head over to spot, and then you are going to search for MGO. Then you are going to click on it. You are going to select these three icons, click on deposits. You are going to select the Mango network. Then you are going to click on copy. Now guys, after you've been able to copy your wallet address, you are going to head back to your MGO. You are going to head back to your BEINGDEX account, and then you are going to click on MGO. You are going to click on transfer. You are going to select the receiving address. You are going to click on all, and then you are going to click on confirm. And as you guys can see, my deposit has been completed on my Bitget account. Then right here I have my MGO right here. So right now the MGO token is trading at this price. It is a very low price. So if you guys want to, you can sell your tokens right now, and if you want to hold, which I won't advise you guys to, you can also decide to hold in case the token appreciates in the future. So this is it guys, this is how to claim your MGO token and also how to transfer to your exchange of your preference. So guys, if you are interested in farming airdrops, getting zero airdrop alphas and updates as well, feel free to join our Telegram channel. The link will be provided in the description box. And also feel free to join our trading channel as well, where we provide free spots and futures trading signals as well. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Thanks.